Hi, I'm Neil Jeans. I'm the principal of Initialism and a co-founder of AML Accelerate. When we designed AML Accelerate, we designed it with the consultancy market in mind. AML Accelerate delivers AML programs and AML risk assessments in an organized and systematic way. That allows consultants to be more efficient, more effective, and service more customers. We have been using AML Accelerate for the last 12 to 18 months and serviced over 200 of our clients using AML Accelerate. What AML Accelerate allows us to do is work with our clients in a more structured way, but also allows us to provide access to our services in different ways. Because AML Accelerate is web-enabled, it allows us to interact with our customers and means we can service our customers off-site as well as on-site. That means we can service more customers and means we can make more money.
After having worked in the compliance industry, both from a law enforcement investigative side to actually consulting with major companies around the world, it came very apparent to me a few years ago that one of the areas that most financial institutions are dropping the ball in, and that is in the area of being able to design an effective and efficient risk assessment model. And I can tell you from a Canadian perspective, I've had a number of clients in the last 18 months that have got deficiency letters from our regulator, FINRA in Canada, stating you have a risk assessment, but it is not finished. And I think that really highlights the value of what Arctic Intelligence, with all of its products, including AML Accelerate, can deliver. Because from my experience, having reviewed the products over the last 24 months, they're probably the best right now that exists in the world. And at the price point they are, a company would be foolish not to look into.
When I'm doing independent audits, I find that the clients have deficiencies or misunderstandings in two fundamental areas. The first is, do they really understand the risks that their industry or their business faces? And often, therefore, their risk assessment is deficient in itself. And the second major area I find where there are problems is that they've done their risk assessment, but they haven't actually mapped that into their AML program. And there are gaps then in how they do their transaction monitoring, how they do their KYC for the different types of clients and the different risks that they present. And so these are real challenges that we need to spend much more time educating our clients, educating industry on what it actually means. One of the things in educating the clients, I think, is to ensure that they're using good, solid products. There are a lot of good commercial products out, including Arctic Intelligence's AML Accelerate product, which I find really does cover all of the necessary, the mandatory elements, and in a way that clients, if they're not AML experts, can at least follow it and it makes sense to them. And many of my clients have ditched their old products because it was in-house built or it was one that they purchased many years ago, and they've moved to this sort of technology. The thing I like about it is that it, in fact, is updated by Arctic Intelligence. It keeps the client's knowledge current with all of their marketing, all of their news advices that come out on a quarterly basis. And I think this is a great step forward. So I'm an advocate of the product.